Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the second version of my home solar battery. As you can see in this diagram, the one in the middle is a 20-volt LiFePro 4 battery, and basically it's here, to the side. You can see there are two 12-volt battery connect in serial. One is 75 amp hour, another is 100 amp hour. Despite the different size, it's working very well in this configuration. This mainly is because the way I control it in the Home Assistant. I plan to do another video talking about how I control all the charge discharge via the Home Assistant. As you can see, there is a fuse here. There are two fuses. I bought this fuse box, and then these two fuses for connect to the charger discharger circuit. Back to this block diagram, you can see the battery is charged by the Victron IP22 charger, which is rated 24 volt 16 amp, and this is controlled by the smart plug, which is P110, and it's not only turn on off the charger, it also monitors the power going, so I can use this to predict the energy inside the battery combined with the external power. So this is the charger, and this is the smart plug control the charger. Back to the diagram, you can see this battery is direct connected to a microinverter, which is Hoymiles 800 watt, and this also have a built-in Wi-Fi interface and can be integrated to a Home Assistant. I can control the power and lead the voltage, power, and also the DC voltage is very useful to control the charger discharger. And here is the microinverter, and it is connected to this plug. So yeah, it's directly connected to the mains, because I can control this directly via the Home Assistant. You can see in the block diagram there another two piece which is unusual: a Wi-Fi access point and a TP-Link power line adapter. So this, because this metal cabinet, so inside the Wi-Fi signal is very weak. So basically I add a local Wi-Fi access point. It's my very old router sit around, and then use the TP-Link power line adapter. There is a pair, one is in the cabinet and another is in my home, and they will talk to each other. Basically what it does is my home network goes through this TP-Link adapter and goes through another TP-Link adapter and connect to the Wi-Fi. So this cabinet will have a full Wi-Fi access. This allows me to use the Home Assistant to control the charging, discharging, and the power of the microinverter. Okay, here you can see this is a TP-Link power line adapter, and this is the old router which is using as AP at the moment, and the black power adapter is for the router. Yeah, that's it. Basically, that's it for this home solar battery. And also I plan to improve this in the future. First is, you can see there's some space here. I plan to increase size to about 7 amp hour or 7 kilowatt hour. So that means I will need about 4 extra batteries around this area, and I will plan to add another charger, as maybe I will also add another microinverter. So yeah, that's a home battery. So if you have any suggestion, please leave comment below. Any question is welcome. Thank you. Bye.